Testing, testing. One, two, three. Okay, my friend. Hello, Rick. Nice to see you again. Wow, what is the market doing though? Confusing, man. Uh, How are you, my friend? You reach home already? Yes, I think you are the first one, my friend. Yes, just not my the TikTok live stream crashed again. Ah, you are inside the lift. Okay, okay. Let me go and get some water, then I come back. Wow, Rick, you always go home so late ah? Is it like normal for you or what? Okay, Roku is also dropping. Roku looks like a good shot, huh? Wow, this OXY is taking such a long time to move. OXY. Yes, the market still looks like bearish. Yeah, but need to wait for market to open, then we can tell whether it will go down or up. But I still think that is bearish though. That's why I only took a very small trade on AMD, and then just to try it out and see how it goes. Oh, Bank of America came to resistance already. Okay, sure. Rick, go ahead, go ahead. Okay. INQ. Okay. Hello, Rick. Wow, you're back so fast. Ah. You want to go shower first or something? Yes, need to do some homework. I'm also doing some homework. I'm looking around and see what opportunity we have. But so far, well, it's really quite tough though. I look at quite a number of them already. Yesterday it spiked down, suddenly up. So right now there's not much, not very clear. You know, later on, I think 10 o'clock or 11 p.m. the Jackson Hole event is going to start. FT&T is still okay. Yes, tonight. Yes, correct. Okay, FT&T. Let me see. Okay, we are still in the trade. Yeah, right now, even if Powell were to cut rate, I also don't know whether the market will perform well or not. Yesterday, the FOMC, like, they say don't want to cut rate. I'm also not too sure, man. It's weird. Okay, UAL. Okay, at least comes to resistance. Yes, I think it was quite volatile before FOMC. It went up quite a lot. Then after FOMC, I think it just cooled down. Not much of a movement already. I was watching it. Then after that, wow, really no idea whether next month they'll cut rate or not. Wow, really difficult to find setup. So nothing here. Okay, hood also spike up and down. Oh, just wait for about 2 to 10 days. Will do. Yeah, the RIVN looks good. Very, very good. I like it also. Okay, I will start from the bottom of the watch list and see what do we have. A golf is also not bad, huh? This one I think Adrian found this. It's not bad. Okay, just wait for the alarm to be triggered. AMD. Oh, this is. Oh, how come this is here? Okay. AMDL. Wow, can I add into. Oh, I cannot add into that section. Okay, no problem. BMNR. Doing a very small flag as of right now. So I will set an alarm. What else we have? Figma. Nothing. MLM. Also like not ready. VLO at least is breaking out, but then we need some consolidation before we can buy. ARW. Nothing here. Open. What is this? Summit Therapeutics. Nope, not nice. Hey, this QUBT looks not bad though. Oh, market open now. Oh, market open now. Let's go back to SPY. What is SPY doing? Oh, my goodness. Really difficult to tell. Don't know got strength or not. Like no strength coming in. Okay, SPY coming down a little bit. Um, yes, possibly can be quite slow, so quite possible. Yeah, I need to wait until the speech, as they start to report, the market will fly up a little bit, fly down a little bit. How's our Oracle? Oracle is still not bad. It's still good. Netflix. Netflix maybe another short opportunity. Adobe going down. Berkshire still strong. Qcom, TSM, Palantir. Palantir, if we get a very nice correction, possibly I will take some trade. DXCM, structural brick. Yes, correct. It's a structural brick. Yes, so we'll need to wait for a little bit, unless you don't mind something like FT&T. If you don't mind holding for a while, actually can take. Yes. BLX. BLX strong though. Maybe can do a day trade, I feel. Okay, we need to see SPY. How is SPY? Okay, SPY got some strength in. QQQ also the same thing. Tesla, okay. EMD still alright. How's the 5 minutes for Palantir? Okay, still alright. 15 Come on. Where the market want to move? Up or down? Why like no direction? LLY breaking out. LLY. How's the other healthcare stock? Let's see. UNH okay. MRK okay. LLY, where's my LLY? I'm thinking, should I take this trade or not? Let's see, is there any volume coming in? No, no volume, that's the thing. My god. Okay, I'll revisit LLY later. Oh, hood very strong. Okay lah, friend. This one we are still very, very safe. I think we moved to break even already, right? At least. Yes, we moved to, oh, better than break even already. Okay, can. Yep, so you can just leave it, no issue. Yes, really no direction. Sage, oh, no momentum, no direction. It's scary, my friends. How's that? That stock open. Let's see. No, still not done. Yeah, maybe got a very, very small trade over here. Okay, I'll set the alarm for open. Disney. Disney got set up? On Disney plunging down, huh? But then Disney by right it should be a long setup. So if you want to take this right, you need to let it go a little bit, let it pull back before we start to short again. Wait. This one is not the structure, is it? Oh, it's not the structure. It's just nice. Like really, it's just nice. I possibly can take this breakout. Can potato CRM. You got a setup here. Huh? Wow, CRM dumb again. Okay, this week I can tell for sure it's not going to be easy to trade, especially later on during the Jackson Hole event, right? When they start to talk, the reporter starts to announce. You might see the market suddenly go up, suddenly go up, go down, then suddenly go up. So it will be reacting to whatever was announced. So just be a little bit more careful. I still kind of think that the market is bearish though. Okay, Moderna is going down. UAL possibly if we are aggressive UAL can take a shot though. Because this UAL they always doesn't go a lot after breaking the previous high. So taking a shot might turn out to be a good one. Okay, UAL maybe I'll wait for this 15 minutes candle to close, then I see what to do. Palantir up and down. Okay, at least it's starting to develop like a bull flag. In 1 hour. Wow, this is difficult to draw. It's too small already. Yep, it's too small. Did I set the alarm? Oh yes. No point setting. The moment I set the alarm, it gets triggered. BLX. Okay. No momentum, no strength, no direction. Oric also no idea what is it doing. Oh, Nvidia consider strong though. It's nothing. Coin also nothing. How about China stocks? Baidu. Baba, there's earnings today, but I don't know what time. You are looking for long and then it went down. Rick, is it for CRM? Oh no, for Disney. Yes. Yeah, or Disney. Okay, okay. I go back to Disney in a short while. X Peng fire off 了. Wow, Futu also fire off eh. What happened? Is all the China stock moving? Yes, the China stocks are moving, my friend. All fire off 了. Gone 了. Neo. Only this. The bubble tea shop is not going. Okay, Disney. Possibly, huh? Yeah, I think for Disney, the best thing is... Wait, what happened? Why so lag again? Okay, for Disney, I think the best course of action is to wait for some consolidation here before shorting it. My goodness. Hey, why suddenly so lag? Okay, one moment. Why suddenly so lag? You go play a bit of game. Can go play game lah. Go play game. Market is boring lah. What time it start? 10 or 11? I forget. I need to check again. You see, it's so laggy, my friend. What happened, man? Why so laggy? Did I do anything special today? No, right? Okay, Sophie got stopped out. Wow, my mouse cannot move. Jam 了. Can potato, but then my mouse jam already. My god. Why like that? Okay, let me click this, click everything little bit. I just restart there before I come. What happened? Look at my mouse. It's not so bad. What happened though? Okay, refresh. Okay, Sophie. We start with Sophie first. What happened to Sophie? Oh, we got out already. We move our stop loss too tight, is it? 22.8. Okay, Sophie stop out already. Okay, next LMND. LMD. Wow, potato, I also don't know how to answer you. This one, I think we need to wait a little bit longer. And then, yeah, wait a little bit longer. I think likely, today what day already? Today is Thursday. Yeah, I think I will wait until at least next week before I come back and take a look. Because initially, you can see, right, there's a breakout trade and then it doesn't go anywhere. Yeah, so wait for a little bit. If this part become a bit choppy, maybe we can start to short. But LAMD, I think it make a new all-time high already. Also came to resistance. So possibly, if there's a good setup, maybe can start to short. But need to wait for at least until next week. Now it's really not clear. No momentum, my friend. What can we do? Oh, Millie is here. Nice to see you, my friend. Thank you for sharing the live stream. Adobe. Change category to MLBB. I also think so. I look at the market like, where's the momentum? What time? What time is the meeting again? Complexity. Yeah, so slow. Oh, 10 p.m. 10 p.m. My friends. It's 10 p.m. It's coming soon lah. 10 minutes. Everyone now getting seated down, waiting for the news. Why? What happened to Nasdaq? No. Today start liao. Today. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, Nick, you see, this one I change it to Singapore time already. You always need to change to Singapore time. So normally, they say 10 a.m. or that is Singapore, on the very same day, but then 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Singapore time. Then they may give insight into Fed's monetary policy, possibly signaling interest rate decision for September. Then the most important liao. Market is dead, my friends. Apple. You hope that it goes up or go down. Yeah, even Amazon also no setup. How about Disney? Just now we were looking at Disney, right? Yeah, you also see the candle like no momentum, right? Always. Good, good, good. I like all your answer. Very good. We go to talk in Jackson Hole. What should I say? I should say yes. We should cut interest rate. Don't care whether inflation is high or not. You need to lower borrowing costs. FT and T. What happened again? FT and T. Oh, finally going down. Yes, FT and T can be a good trade though. Where's our stop loss for FT and T? Oh, we place all the way up here, huh? Okay lah. I think like that. Our entry. Oh, still cannot move to break even. Too early, too early. Let me see, huh? Okay lah, still cannot move to break even. Not enough room to breathe leh. Oh, CE and Pinterest. CE can. CE. CE. Oh, CE is, I think, wait, let me see. Oh, this one major downtrend. Oh, my friend. Yeah, but I like the fact that, it booked this low. I like it. So possibly, this stock tanked a lot, a lot from the all-time high. This is like almost 80%. Okay, not bad, huh? I think this type of stock, right? Usually, you, yeah, but that's the thing, here, okay, this part, right? If you do see a correction or what, possibly I can go for longs. Usually they tank 80%. Max. I think the highest I saw for those like better company, the max is about just slightly over 90% only. So 80% I think is quite cheap already. Possibly can go for long. Pinterest. Did I type wrongly? Pins. Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest is no good. You can tell, right? Yup, it hit the trend line, didn't consolidate, but possibly not too sure whether it will consolidate here or not. But then it missed earnings. Possibly this one can be a good shot also. Yeah, I think maybe can become a good shot. This trend line is not valid, but then I just draw it there. If you know you have confirmation, you can try to take a shot. Reddit, DDT. Reddit is good, huh? It's only pulling them back a little like the rest of the stock they are doing, but just be careful because today onwards we have the Jackson Hole annual meeting, so the market can be quite volatile. I don't know which direction it will goes to. Uh, yeah, just hope you don't. I also don't think you'll get a pullback like that. This one is because of the March April period because of tariff. So possibly it can just chop around here until maybe next month or something. What's the meeting? Oh, it's a annual meeting where all the big shot, right? All the governors, uh, all the big shot. They come from different states. They gather in one place to do a annual meeting. So your Fed's chairman, all the super huge big figures, they all gather there. I think about 120 of them. It's only held once a year. So it's going to be a very big event where they will discuss about all the policies, monetary policies, all that. Then what are the guidance, all that going forward. So I think possibly going to start really. You can see right, market is selling off a little bit. Hmm. Okay, there's some news coming in, I think. Oh no, no news, no news. I saw wrongly. Okay, now need to open up the important news channel. They'll keep report and it's going to get quite spammy. And then we see what do we have. What are your positions? Most of them are shorts, only a few longs only. Yeah, I look at the market like that. It's a little bit scary though. I think AMD long stop out now, right? Yes, mine also stop out now. Okay, I will update for AMD. CNC. This one I think we were supposed to look for a shot, right? Oh, what's that? Yeah, I think Yeah, just now when I click on the chart, there was like an alarm line over here, but then I think got triggered already. By right, we should be looking for a short. Friday bad news, right? Wow, Andrew, difficult to tell, you know. Right now, you just have to monitor that channel, the important news, and see what is coming in. I really don't know what will happen to the market. Can wait a bit, hitting EMA. Oh, is it? Wait, CNC. Yes, so possibly can act as support. Then after it can also go up. So we just wait until it gives us more confirmation before we do something. Yeah, this stock also has been dumping for a long time already. From this high, it dumped a lot though. To here is like 61%. It's crazy. Yeah, definitely can wait for a little bit. Especially today. Today I don't even know which direction it will go to. I look at all of it like both sides quite possible. Spyland. I'm actually quite interested in NVIDIA as well. Good. Not easy, my friends. I think there's good news coming in, is it? Hmm. No, I still no news. Good. Okay. At least we are, we are at break even or something. At least nothing to lose. You all can see, right? Within a short, how many weeks? I think 2 weeks or something. The market is crazy though, up and down, not very clear. It doesn't have a very clear direction. For a while we short, for a while we go long. This Filma and Shopee, I think it's okay to TP early. Yes, it's really okay to TP early. I actually like Palantir also though. I feel like adding to Palantir. Okay, let's wait for the alarm to be triggered. Then I might want to enter Palantir. Okay, one more is open. Open alarm got triggered. Wait. Oh, open got triggered. Okay, I think open we can maybe can do a day trade though. Okay, we come back shortly for open. BBAI nothing. Everything like going up. Yes, Raymond, the market is going to be very volatile at least until tomorrow. Possibly if we hold position over the weekend because the Jackson Hole event will last all the way until Saturday. Saturday is another day. So if Saturday they say something funny, Monday when the market open is going to gap down. If they say something good, Monday it will gap up. Yes, 10 p.m. liao. So they have officially started. Oh, Google fire off. Okay, SPY is going up. QQQ is also going up. But QQQ, because it dumped quite a lot, possibly the correction might be over. It can also fire off from here. But then, QQQ is a bit more clearer. But then if you go to SPY, SPY is not that clear. So I do think that SPY maybe can go up here, come down a little bit more before it starts to go up. If not, but then we still need to factor in September also because September is usually quite a bad month. So I still kind of think that possibly it can come to about 615. The live stream needs to pay one. Then really need to pay man? Don't need lah. Live 2025. Usually this type of news don't have to pay though. Like really maybe need to pay. Or YouTube all that don't have. No. What's that called? Jackson Hole. This one live. Is it this? Market recovering. Let's see. No leh, this one other people live streaming. Bloomberg YouTube have really? Have it. Eh? Is it this or not? Is it correct? Life. Tomorrow watch party. Hey, can I stream this or not? If I stream this, will I get banned or not? I don't think it's this though. Not coming. But this one is scheduled for 22, so it's tomorrow lah. Ah, okay. Understood. 22, 9 p.m. So it's Friday. It's not today. No, right? The event start today, ma. Am I right? Yes, 21st August, 24 August, correct, huh? Oh, the speech. Okay. The event start today, but then right, the speech will be tomorrow. Tomorrow, 22nd August, 10 p.m. So likely not much of a movement now, lor. Okay, so it's the same as the economic calendar, my friends. Okay, this week. Yeah, so tomorrow, Fed Chair Powell speaks. So today they started the meeting. Tomorrow he will go and summarize everything for you. Well, but all the data here currently good though. You can test prop firm instant funding. What is that for? Discord stream party. That one Rick know how to do it. Rick know how to stream that. You can test prop from instant funding. It's a platform allows scaling to 3 million funding. Oh, is there such a thing? You can join prop firm to, but then you need to attend their course or something, right? I don't think they will just give you money, then let you trade. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Or if there's one thing called instant funding. Instant funding. Oh, this one? Wait, the review is good 4.8. Okay. Is there like any catch or not? Because I know long time ago when I go and look at all this, there's always a lot of catch. How it works, instant funding. Oh, must use MetaTrader. So this is what, trading Forex? Is it trading Forex? You see, okay, this type of account is good. You know why or not? It really trains you that you see their maximum drawdown, right, is max 10% only. Yeah, they only allow up to about 10%. Account size double each time you get 10% profit. Yes, trade currencies lah, currencies, commodities, all that. But their leverage is low though. Yeah, so it really controls your risk. But there's always a catch. I tell you, this type of thing, right? Normally, either they ask you to attend a course or something, then after that, sometimes they ask you to buy their router so you can access some system, you know. So you have to check more. Then you see, they ask you for money, my friend. You see, if you want a $10,000 account, you need to give them $440. Okay. Then if you want like 120,000 account, you need to give them 5,000 USD though. And then the drawdown, just now do you read or not? You see, the max drawdown, I also don't know what they really mean, but they say you cannot have more than 10% drawdown. And then once you make 5% profit, the limit becomes 5% of your starting balance and stay at this level permanently. So if you drop below this level, 5% is easy to hit though. The moment you hit it, they will take back the account, and then whatever you paid over here, everything will be forfeited. Yeah, so you have to be a little bit more careful on this part. No, it sounds nice. They give you 120,000 account or that. If you really, really need the 120,000, I would rather, when you have time, for 1 year, go and do some odd jobs or freelance something. I think possibly you can make at least half of it within 1 year. Good, or in 2x leverage. Yeah, but then the moment you have drawdown only, the account is gone, they won't give it back to you. Your money all gone, What is this? One phase, two phase. Yeah, maybe I can go and read a little bit more later on. Okay, thank you, thank you, my friend Bruce. You see, got a lot of catch, my friend. You cannot risk or lose more than 3% of your starting or skill account balance at any time, which is consider gambling and constitute a hard breach. So that means they take back the account. When I first started, I tried one or two before, but I can tell you it's a waste of money. They asked me to buy the router or that. And then after that, very, very fast, they just take back the account already. Well, now they charge so expensive. 5,000 for a 100K account. Back then, when I do all this, I think you only pay about 1,005. 1,005, they send a router from so far away though. They send it to you, then they also give you like a 100K account for you to trade. But mine was very quick for a short while, the account is gone now. Hey, my goodness. Really? EMD? How come recently? Okay, now what time? Now it's only 10:21. So nowadays I start live streaming for 1 hour and then the verification will appear. Okay, we go back there. I also don't think there's any setup for me today already. Yes, EMD, hi, wasted. Okay, most important is the drawdown. 5% drawdown. I can tell you, you use this account, right? Most likely, every trade, you're risking about 0.5% only. You can't even risk 1% per trade. If not, this account will be gone very fast. 5 consecutive loss, your account GG. Okay, not bad, not bad. This one actually, they allow you to hold overnight, huh? It's not bad. Previously, the one that I signed up, they only allow day trading, cannot hold overnight. Wow, 1.28 million. Anyone wants to try or not? Shopify. Shopify not bad. I like it. I like it. Shopify. Maybe can become a good trade. NNOX, NNOX. Wow. Andrew, I don't know how to help you with this though. But the price, I think you can wait for it to make a new low. Maybe $3.20 or something before you decide to buy. Then after you buy, just be careful, you will jam for a little bit before you start making money. Oh, you ask only, okay, okay. Yes, the market is turning green. But don't be too happy, okay? Don't be too happy. Right now, they just start the meeting only. You wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow when Powell deliver what is being discussed, that's when we will see the reaction. Tomorrow 10 p.m. everybody will be on live. So I think it will be quite fun. Yes, guys. This month is not easy. Really, really not easy. If you are positive this month, consider yourself lucky already. Normally, August, September, they are very difficult to trade. And if you can be positive, right, it's really a very, very good thing. But I'm quite shocked. Google is strong though. But sure, any day trade we can take or not. Actually, Palantir not bad. But it's not breaking out. LLY leh? Actually, LLY is good. We can do a swing trade, I think, for LLY. But you went a little bit far, so I will set the alarm somewhere around here. If it can push back to about 707, I think we can go in now. UNH. Hey, UNH is also good. Coming out, coming out. Okay, let me write down somewhere. If not, I forget. Um, I will definitely wait for a little bit. Initially, I like it, but then, it didn't even recover, so I will be a little bit more wary until I get more confirmation before I start to look into buy again. But is a good stock. Usually, there's a lot of volatility, so if you're inside, normally it can fly quite fast. Another one we can keep a lookout definitely is Shopify. Shopify is good. Of can go Rick. I also don't think today I will live stream until very late lah. I look at the market, I also half dead liao. My heart like half dead liao. No momentum, not going anywhere. I don't even know it's up or down. Oh, Palantir alarm triggered. Palantir. Okay, let's do a day trade for Palantir. Boom, boom. What happened? Why? Something dropped again? Wood went up so much today. Yes, the market is recovering a little bit. The best one is, if Palantir can consolidate a bit more, that will be fantastic. Okay, I'll set one more alarm for Palantir. This one doesn't look very convincing though. Okay, let me delete my alarm. China. Yeah, but just now I took a look. I take a look. It looks like it's gone already though. Yeah, the one I like, all gone now. Yeah, partly I also didn't take a look at China stock this week is because there's a lot of earnings. But so far, their earnings, all of them doing very well though. Even which one? Okay, Baidu didn't do very well, but then Baba, there's earnings today. So possibly it might also fly up. Yeah, PDD gone already. But then you can see, right, PDD is going to announce earnings next Friday. Yeah, this one is still a little bit far away. Xpeng gone liao. Okay, it was Futu. Yes, Futu. Futu just announced earnings yesterday. And then it started to fly. Yeah, you can see, right, not many of them looks like there's very good opportunity. Unless you have more watch lists over here, because for me, my China stocks is really little. Most of them are listed in the US only. But of course, if you want to, right, I do think that you can try to trade this the bubble tea brand, Cha Yi. I think this one is not bad. It's the only one as of right now. No, I don't see it firing off yet. This is Trading View, my friend. You know, TV. This is not bad. I like it. Okay, you can monitor this. Photo is too bad lah. That time we have a position, but then because of earnings coming soon, so I decided to just close off everything. But then you can see, right, from here until here, it didn't move up really a lot, so it's still fine. JD yeah, Potato, I understand what you mean, but recently, I feel like the China stocks that are listed in the US, they don't follow HSI so closely already. Not too sure what happened. You can see, right, like PDD is going up like that, but then HSI is going another direction. Same goes for, I think Baba, okay, Baba at least is still following. But then Baba is risky, like, although I like it, yes, it's at this level, but because of earnings, it says today, but then never says like anytime. Baidu, okay, it beats earnings. Baidu, if you have a pullback or something, possibly can go in. Baidu is not bad. No problem. Okay, guys, I use the washroom. I come back a little bit. Then after that, I help you with that question. This stock going out. What's that? Baidu is flying. Okay, hello, my friends. Okay, IONQ. Hello, Quintin. Is it Quintin? Yes, Quintin. Hello, my friend. IONQ. IONQ. Actually, I like it though. The consolidation is nice. Uh, yeah, DD. If there's a trade setup, possibly you can look for longs. Because IONQ, if I'm not wrong, should be also quantum computing, right? I also saw one that is quite nice, which is QUBT. Yeah, I'm also looking at QUBT for that long setup. Lulu and Figma. Lulu. Lulu is not bad. It's consolidating now. Just wait for a little bit more. But Figma, I have no idea how long we are going to be inside this stock. But so far, huh? As of right now, it's really looking not bad. At least I do think that there's some upside coming soon. So I'm not too afraid for Figma. Yeah, you just need patience. I do think that if really Figma doesn't perform well, you just go up a little bit, come down again, go up a little bit, come down again. This will last for another 2 months or so. Okay, guys, my alarm for this trade is also triggered. I don't know whether I'll take it or not. It will be a very, very small day trade. Okay, guys? Don't do anything risky, huh? Uh, okay, I think it's my final trade for the day already. I don't think I will take any more. Uh, Wow, Figma, I think try not to. Yeah, because Quentin, if you try to finish the course first. I have a technique that you don't have to catch falling knife, and usually, you enter quite early. You can tell where or where more or less when the falling knife is going to end, and you can catch a very very good price. Yeah, so normally you don't see me catching falling knife because I always deployed that one technique only. Yes, when you come into the alert wave lesson, you will learn that is the most fantastic thing now. So you can see, like, if you just go back to all my long-term investment, like you go and check where did I enter them, all that, you can see I deploy that technique. And the price is not too far from, let's say for example, if we go back to like SPY, right? Okay, maybe we go back to VOO or something. VOO. Okay, if you are talking about ETF, I catch a falling knife. Okay, usually I catch a falling knife. That is how I enter VOO right at $450. Then after that, right, when the rest of my stocks, I entered them roughly about 1 week later, 2 weeks later. So I entered on this pullback. So you will learn. You will learn in the Elevate lesson how to do that. Then after that, let me show you an example. See, I entered at 450, it's catching a falling knife. But if you can enter somewhere here, it's about 470. It's not too far off. You still enter at a very, very good price. So if you go and look at all my investment, most of them that I catch during the April period is this pullback. This pullback. Then I enter in. I bought open. You got receive or not? Receive, right? Yes, yes, I bought open. It's a very, very small trade. Oh, I calculate the size until I want to go crazy. So the stock is too cheap already. And explain your immersion stock, Tracy. Huh? What is that? Andrew, what do you mean by that? I don't get you though. Oh, it's a day trade. It's a day trade, my friend. It's a day trade. Okay, open is very simple. Why I place here, right? Okay, because I think this is the candle opening. Yeah, so this is like, 9:30 it open here and here. And right now it broke above, the opening price already. So normally I use the 15 minutes candle. I rarely use the 5-minute candle. Then at the same time, you can see, right, this one is like a small consolidation. Yeah, so I just entered this, place a stop loss here. So it's something like you know, your consolidation. This is like your day trade break of structure. And then this is like your small consolidation. You can start to go. WVRA, actually no different. If I'm not wrong, WVRA is, wait, eh, V, VWRA, I always forget. Uh, I would say, is this man? No, right? It's not this, right? I thought it's WVRA. Did I got it wrong or what? Okay, the world most safest ETF I would say is VOO. VOO is definitely the most safest. If for someone who doesn't know how to invest but don't want to keep your money in the bank, have no knowledge about trading or anything, go and buy VOO. Just put your money into VOO. Whenever you can contribute once every month or once every 2 months, 3 months. Just keep doing that. Repeat that process for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. And if you can do that, your money will compound so much, my friend. I like to show the compound calculator. Some people believe it, some people don't believe it. So it's actually up to you. So for example, I just give you one very, very simple example. You just start with an initial capital of $10,000, and then annually it grows roughly about 10%. Then after, if you can hold it for 20 years, and every single month is up to your own contribution. You want to contribute $500 also can. Then you just click on calculate. Where's the calculate? Calculate. And if you can hold for about 20 years, right, you can see your $10,000, it becomes roughly about 400 over 1,000 though. So you just keep putting in again and again and again. It's the safest investment, I would say. So you can see your total, you only put in about 120,000. 20 years later, you have, your interest is about 322,000. But then if you can hold 30 years, especially for someone that's very, very young, you hold 30 years, you already got 1.3 million. And this is very low though. The contribution of 500 monthly is really, really low. Because as years goes by, your career progress, you'll make more and more money, your contribution per month definitely will increase. So this is just a very, very simple calculation without factoring your career progression. Like me, myself, VOO, every 3 months, 2 months or something like that, normally I contribute at least about 30 to 50,000 around there. I just keep putting in again and again and again. Okay, Potato, you understand or not why I put my stop loss there? It's a small trade, it's a day trade. Yeah, either it goes or it doesn't go, then but right now doing well lah. At least can help us to cover for AMD lah. Open actually I wanted to do a investment in it. It's not bad. You know why I like it? I like it or not? Because it dumped for a long time now. That's the only reason. It dumped for a long time, and then recently there's a lot of hype around it. So I do think that it can perform a little, at least maybe something like that. You know. So if you compare this size, it still has room for upside. That's why I bought it. CSGP. CSGP one. Potato, you have a lot of very interesting instrument. You can share your watch list with me or not? Hey, this one looks good. Yeah, looks good. I like it. At least for trading, I think it's fine. Yeah, for trading, definitely fine. Earnings still far away. 1 month later. Okay, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour possibly. Yeah, maybe can do a day trade also. Yeah, just wait for it to be triggered. Marvel, House Marvel. Not good. RIVN. Rick, I got a feeling this RIVM, if you don't go in now, possibly gone already. Okay, we search around and see what else we can take. Rick, what is ORB strategy? What is ORB? My Gao Jai, my friend, can you let me know what is ORB? Okay, MD also not bad, huh? Maybe for a day trade. But it's a bit far gone now, eh? Okay, UNH got momentum or not? Not bad. LLY. Not retracing. Yeah, quite possible it also won't retrace though. I think I'm also, lazy to wait for the retracement. I think I'll take this as a swing trade. God, the stop loss so huge. Okay, I'll take this as a swing trade. Okay, done. LLY. Oh, this stock is expensive, man. Okay. Oh, our hood also coming back to break even now. Yeah, also coming back to. Ayo, I never secure any profit. I also forget. Yeah. No, at least I secured some for hood. Okay, okay, not bad. Yeah, not bad. I at least secure a little bit. Oracle, we also secured 50% of it. At least not bad. Not bad. You are making money, my friend. Relax, chill. Will you be doing a funded challenge with instant funding? Oh, there's a lot of catch, my friend. So it's up to you whether you want to fund with them or not. Yeah, but the drawdown is a little bit lame lah. I just feel lah, 10% and then when you make 5% already or something, they lower your drawdown to 5%. Only 5% is very very easy to hit though, unless you risk about 0.5% per trade. And right now, that instant funding is quite expensive, to be honest. You see, I remember very long time ago when I first started, 100K account doesn't cost you so much though. You see, I click on 120,000. You need to pay them. Uh, you need to pay them $5,200. Oh, they don't lower. They increase by 5% of your earnings. What do you mean, huh? Yeah, last time when I saw things like that, uh, 100K account only costs about 1,500. Right now is 5,002 though. Oh, this is instant fund. Those they give you 12K drawdown. 12K, 10% lah, 10%. But then if you make money, one phase. What's this? Like one phase, two phase? Is there any different? Oh, okay, okay, okay. What is this one phase, two phase? What is that? Oh, this one is cheaper. This one is 800 plus only. Yeah, I need to read more. I'm not too sure whether worth it or not though. If they got, account like 1 million, maybe I'm interested. But then 200,000, uh, maybe can try, trading a little bit of Forex. It's also been too long already since I last trade Forex because they allow Forex, commodities. Commodities 1:20 really? 1:20 is low though. Yeah, maybe can trade crypto. I don't mind trading crypto and commodities if can. Oh, instant funding can scale to millions. Okay, okay. Or you need to scale to million. They cannot like one shot give it to you. Commission free raw spread. Okay. Monthly return goal 10%. Potential earnings 1 million. Trading period 10 months. What is this? Add 10% to profit split. Oh, you make 10%, they double your account. Okay, sounds good. 10% not difficult, even risking 0.5% per month. Not bad, not bad. But why instant funding is so expensive? Why is it 5,000 plus as compared to one phase or two phase? What is this? One phase, two phase? Under scaling, you go see scaling. Where scaling? Oh, okay, okay, scaling. Okay, how you can grow? Grow 25% every night. When you reach 10%, double your size. Oh, so 10% profit in 90 days. Instant, you make 5%, you immediately breach withdraw. What is you make 5%, you immediately breach withdraw? What do you mean by that? Hey, not bad, huh? Not bad, huh? It's really not bad. Or at least they got skill. I thought like only that amount, then they give you a small account, then it's not worth it already. Yeah, now I got time, huh? Maybe during daytime I can go and trade some commodities. Okay, okay, we go and take a look. US oil. Let's see, US oil. Is it good or not? Yeah, possibly I can trade oil. I like to trade oil though. Not bad. Okay, how about gold? Let's see. XAU USD. Wait, what happened? Hey, what is this? My goodness. Don't compare charts. Go. Huh? Okay. And how do I switch this off? I don't want to compare anything. Okay, okay. Close. XAUUSD. Hey, do you all remember what's the ticker symbol for copper? Anyone trades copper over here? I forget liao. Copper. I know silver is XAGUSD. Silver is also a nice one to trade. Okay, possibly I can trade silver as well. Extra money for me, huh? Silver is good. I don't know whether I can still find that chart or not. From long time ago, I think silver was still somewhere around this area. I did a forecast like how it develops, and then one day it will go and break $50. If I can find it, I will go and post it lah. Okay, Hood. Oh, Hood, we got out already. Yeah, wasted. Okay, market strong, is it? I still think that Hood will go down. But too bad, we got out with some profit only. Okay, not bad. At least yesterday we secured about 50%. So the other 50% make a little bit is fine. Price. What price? Huh? Oh, 108. Yeah, the rest of the 50% is like only a little bit lah. If you immediately break even. Okay, okay. Thank you, J J. I will definitely go and check it out. Yeah, because it has been quite a while since I last trade currencies and commodities. So, I will also need a little bit of practice. Japanese yen. Let's go and take a look. Yeah, USD yen used to be one of my favorite as well. Maybe I can trade this. If not, I can trade pound yen. Wow, pound yen becomes so strong. Really? Oh, after Brexit, they become so duper strong. Nice. This was Brexit though. This huge dump over here. Wait. Let me see. I remember. Is it pound yen or pound USD? Let me see. Yes, is pound USD. Yep, this is Brexit. Y'all can go and check. I remember I shorted this. For yeah, it was fantastic. Okay, so the date is on 20th June 2016. This one is amazing, I tell you. Yeah, Brexit, I tell you, Forex broker, they like to play cheat, Whenever there's a huge news event or that, they will shut down their broker. Some of them, they shut down for 15 minutes. Some of them shut down 1 hour, 2 hours, up to about 24 hours. So during that time, Brexit, for those students, right, who understands wave theory, you all can go and look at this part and you all will understand why I shorted it. Pound USD. It was pound USD. I remember. It was amazing. I remember my broker stopped for like 1 hour or something. The moment it opens, I was so happy. It was like right at the bottom. And I just TP everything. Not bad, not bad. Possibly I can try currency also. Quintin, I think Jie is talking about this company. It's called Instant Funding. Yeah, so you sign up with them. Okay, JJ, this one you need to go through any course or not? Or they just, you pay and then they just give you a account where you don't have to go through any course. Your shorts never put stop loss. Okay. Yeah, today market like okay, I will go and do a little bit more research. I will ask Perplexity AI to help me summarize. Then after that, maybe I can choose one and give it a shot. I want to scale to 3 million if possible. Yeah, if 100,000, 200,000, I think it's okay. I can use my own money. How's our open? Open doing well now. Open. The market like no momentum, eh. Okay, not bad. Hopefully don't retrace, go up even higher. But look at the market condition also makes me want to, book everything. Okay, let's see. Is our RR for open good or not? If good, maybe we can just book everything. Okay, not bad. About 1:1. Okay, we wait for a little bit more. If really cannot move, right, we just take off everything. Oh, Go, go cannot be what. Go no gap, where got gap? Go got no gap, 24 hours market got no gap. Where do you see that gap? Unless you are talking about FVG fair value gap. This one got gap. Where the gap? Where's the gap? You on the daily chart or what? Ah, okay, okay. You mean here like this like gap up, is it? Okay lah. Oh, you on 5 minutes. Today got gap. Where do you see the gap? I don't see any gap though. Very heavy seller. Do you think gold will drop? Yup, I do think that gold possibly is doing a larger consolidation. Likely, I don't think it's done as of right now. I don't really like to trade gold unless it trends. Normally, gold when it don't trend, it's quite difficult to trade. I prefer trading silver though. Yeah, silver to me, the chart is clearer. Wow, I don't know. I really don't know whether they will cut rate or not. But right now, the sentiment like quite high. They say that likely Powell will cut rate, but then yesterday FOMC Powell like don't want to cut rate. But this is them. They always likes to do all these things, say don't want to cut, then out of a sudden next month just suddenly cut the rate. Yeah, we really have no idea. So we can only wait until it's released already. We see the result, look at the market reaction, then we react accordingly. Hey, this RIVN is really looking great. Okay, guys. Do we still have a lot of positions or not? It's a little bit okay lah, possibly we'll just close off close off open today maybe. Okay, let's short this. Oi. Okay, done. Oh, I pressed long again. Oh, sorry, my bad. I can send again, no problem. Oh, yo, if I send again the other one, how? Never mind, I just type here. Go 5 minute, top got gap. Really? Why for go if there's a gap, is it significant or something? 5 minute top got gap. I don't see any gap here though. It's all linked, right? No. This is trading view. I think because you never subscribe to the real time data, is it? Yeah, because 24 hours market will not have gap. 24/5 market will not have gap. Yeah, unless you are talking about like those very small one, really insignificant one. Uh, I really have no idea how it works though. Yes, Xpeng earnings fly a lot. But there is a bubble, right? Chanel, what do you mean by that? There's a bubble? I hope there's a bubble. I hope, the market really drop a lot. That will be the best, already. Moderna. UNH is also nice. Let's see. Everyone that's jammed in UNH, you all need to thank Warren Buffett, man. Because of Warren Buffett, this stock flew up so much. All US stocks will crash 60% and Hong Kong stock will go to the moon for 500%. Really? You think so? I also have a Hong Kong ETF 2800. But then I don't have any China stocks or Hong Kong stocks. Albert, I don't need to buy X perk. I'm also a millionaire now. But okay lah, the stock is good lah. It's good, not bad, not bad. It's always on my watch list, but then I recently have not been trading it, especially this week. There's too much earnings already. Okay, UNH, I like it though. Okay, guys, let's do a swing trade. Okay, but we have quite a lot of position though. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ah. OXY. My goodness, OXY, you can fire off or not? IBM like. Still alright. Uh, oh, I didn't refresh. Okay. One moment. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, still got 8. Wow, it's high risk. How is SPY doing? Not very good. QQQ. Hmm. Okay, I think we reduce size a little bit. I got type wrong or not? How come can buy so much shares? Huh? Okay, done. Expire. Yes, I know, I know. I saw already. I saw already. The daily, it looks good lah. This China stock is fantastic, my friend. It's good. It beats earnings and then starts to fire off. How about the rest? Okay, not bad. Photo is also nice. I like it. This one is like another meme China stock though. Yihang. It's going to report earnings next Tuesday. Yeah, but try to stay out. Huh? This one you might get jammed for quite a while. Okay, actually this Chagi is not bad. I like it. It's nice. Okay, let's wait for a little bit. Bitcoin, how's Bitcoin doing? Not good. Ethereum, better than Bitcoin, but still alright. MSTR coin. Spy. Yeah, same old thing. It looks like worst case scenario. Possibly this is like a consolidation, then it will start to drop again. Okay, guys. Today market really very slow. I also scan until I'm tired. If there's no momentum, there's nothing much we can do. So any last questions? If not, we can end the live stream early, go and have a early break. Tomorrow will be a big day. Tomorrow 10 p.m. Okay, 10 p.m. Poa is going to speak. QCOM, okay. Palantir. Wait. Go please. Go please. Go, my friend. Don't turn back anymore. Kavana. I still think that hood is going down. And don't look like. Unless, tomorrow, when Poel speak, everything is good, then likely hood will go up as well. Okay, guys, I will end the live stream right now. Thank you so much for coming. Stay safe, guys. Good night. Take care. I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.